lower and upper bands dealing with nearest whole numbers. Examples. Given that 83 is expressed to the nearest whole number, A. Find the lower and upper bands. B. Using x as the number, express the range in which the number lies as an inequality. C. Represent the result in B on a number line. Now looking at the question, solution. Solution A. Find the lower and upper bands. For us to get the lower and upper band, then we need to determine the error. Now the keyword, nearest whole number. For nearest whole number, what do you look at? You look at the last number. What is the last number here? 3. Now, what is the place value of 3 normally? That is 3 units. So, in this case, since we are considering 3 and the place value is 3 units, what is the error band for unit? Error band for unit is what? It's going to be 1 over 2, that is plus or minus 1 over 2. Because for units represent 1. So that is plus or minus 1 over 2, and that is plus or minus 0.5. Now, for the lower band is going to be equal to what? We're going to have 83 to be equal to what? Minus 0.5. Since the errors is plus or minus 0.5. So for the lower band, you are going to take away 0.5 from the number expressed in the nearest whole number. And this will give us what? 82.5. That is the lower band. While for the upper band, you are going to add 0.5. That is why the error is plus or minus 0.5. The plus 0.5 represents that of the upper band. The minus 0.5 represents that of the lower band. So this is going to be plus 0.5. So we are going to have 83.5. That will be for the upper band. Now, for the B part, using x as the number, we are asked to express this in form of an inequality. How do we represent that? So it means that we have 82.5, then we have less than or equal to x, and less than 83.5. Now let me explain. Why are we having less than 83.5 here? And why are we having less than or equal to? And we're having 82.5 less than or equal to here. Now, looking at 82.5 is the smallest value, such that if you approximate this value, it will give us 83. Now, let me approximate 82.5 to nearest whole number. What will I do? I'll stop at 2 normally. Then, take 1 from this 5. Add it to this 2. What will I have? 83. You can see. It gives us. But now, let's check this value here. 83.5. You can see, if I want to approximate 83.5 to nearest whole number, what will happen? I will stop at this 3. Then, which is the last number before decimal point. Then take 1 from 5 and add it to this 3. What will I have? It will now be what? 3 plus 1, 4. This will be 84. The number we have here, is it 84? No. That is why here will be just strictly less than 83.5. It means that the highest value here will be strictly less than 83.5. Why this value is the minimum value here? That is 82.5. So hence, you have strictly less than here, and here you have less than or equal to. Now, for C, represent the results in B on a number line. Now, we go back to our number line. We have here. We can just have this. Now, the lower value, can write here 82.5, and we write the upper one here, we have 83.5. Now, in this case, we draw a line up. Now, we draw a small circle. Here also, we are going to draw a small circle. Now, for less than or equal to, it means that 82.5 is included in this range of inequality. Then it means you are going to what? Shade this. That's the meaning, when you have less than or equal to. But here, this is strictly less than. This place will remain on shade because 83.5 is not part of the value in the range of inequality. Because the values we have here, they are strictly less than 83.5. So this will remain unshaded. So in this case, you just need to join this, telling us that the range starts from here and end here. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.